The KLARSTEIN Delicatessa Slim Induction Cooker is a compact two-zone built-in hob that fits narrow countertops while still feeling like a full-featured cooktop. Its paired induction zones can work separately or together as a flexible cooking area, so longer pans and grill plates heat evenly without cold spots. Both zones offer strong everyday power with an extra boost mode for rapid heating, which brings water to a boil and pans to searing temperature noticeably faster than many ceramic or gas hobs. The smooth glass ceramic surface with responsive touch controls is easy to wipe clean and makes it simple to adjust power levels and timers precisely while cooking. Safety is well considered, with child lock, automatic shutoff, and a clear residual heat indicator that helps prevent burns and encourages using leftover warmth instead of wasting energy. Installers will appreciate that the cooker is self-contained with standard power requirements and a slim depth, making it straightforward to integrate into modern minimalist kitchens.